Good morning, children. Miss Rita here. Today in this video, we are going to see geometry of class 9, chapter number 6, circle, practice set number 6.3. Children, in lower class, you have learned about the angle bisector and perpendicular bisector. This is the basic construction which you have learned in your lower class. To start the practice set number 6.3, first of all, we will recall to make angle bisector and perpendicular bisector. The first sum is given 60 degree. Here we will make the angle of 60 degree and will bisect the angle. Draw one ray. Give the name B and C. Take the protractor. Keep on point B. Make an angle of 60 degrees. 60 degree means acute angle. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So we will draw a ray joining the point B with the point we got. So here we got angle of 60 degree. Give the name A. So now we have the angle ABC of 60 degree and we have to bisect this angle. We will take circular. With the pencil it should be equal. So take any small measurement. Keep on the vertex B. Make two arcs. Okay. We got these two arcs. Give the name arc E and F. With the help of these two arcs, we'll make a bisector. Keep on the point E, make arc, and keep on the point F, cut this arc. We got the point over here. Now join the point B with the intersection of arc. Give this name ray B and D. So ray BD will bisect the angle ABC into two equal parts. It means angle ABD is 30. Angle DBC is also 30. These two angles will be equal. It means angle ABD is equal to angle DBC. Both will be 30. Divide the 60 degree into two equal parts. Now student, we are going to make perpendicular bisector of 7 centimeter. Mean the length of the segment is 7 centimeter. So draw one segment of 7 centimeter. Give the name M and 7 centimeter. Now we have to make perpendicular bisector. So we'll keep the pointer on N. Take more than half of this 7 centimeter segment. More than half. One arc you will make up, one arc you will make down. With the pointer you will keep on N. Now you will same measurement, keep the pointer on N. Cut this arc up and down. These two arcs you got, right? Intersection of this arc, give the name PU. Intersection of this arc, give the name Q. Now join these two arcs. The help of scale and pencil. Here 90 degree. Perpendicular bisector always 90 degree. It means MN is divided with the line PQ. It divides the segment into two equal parts. So here we will give the name So here Children, to make a construction of a circle, there are two types of circle we have to make in the practice set number 6.3. One is the incircle and second one is the circumcircle. To make incircle, we have to do angle bisector. In a triangle, there are three angles are given. You have to bisect and two angle. To make circumcircle, in a triangle we have three sides. We have to make perpendicular bisector, and in two side we have to do perpendicular bisector. And intersection of that we have to draw incircle and circumcircle. Children, now we'll start the practice set number 6.3. Question number 1. Construct triangle ABC such that angle B equal to 100 degree. Side BC is given 6.4 centimeter. Angle C is given 50 degree, and construct its incircle. To make incircle, we have to bisect two angle. So first of all, we will draw the rough figure triangle ABC. Angle B is given 100 degree. Angle C is given 50 degree, and segment BC is given 6.4 centimeter. With the help of this, we will draw the triangle ABC. After that, we'll bisect the angle. Student, rough figure is compulsory to draw in each construction. So first of all, we'll draw one triangle ABC with the given measurement. So BC is given how much, student? 6.4. We'll take the measurement 6.4. BC 6.4 centimeter. After that, it is given angle B is given how much? 100 degree. 100 degree means it is obtuse angle. More than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. We'll keep on the angle B. The ray is gone to the right side, so we'll take the 0 below 1. So here 100 is 80, 90, 100. You got the 100 over here. Draw a line joining this point and B. So here we have drawn. Now angle C is given 50 degree. 50 degree means, student, it is an obtuse angle. So 50 degrees here. Again, with the help of this new point and C, we will draw one segment. So intersection we got these two lines with the name A. So here we have drawn triangle ABC. Okay. Now student, for making a incircle, we have to bisect two angle. So two angle, we will take angle B and angle C, we will bisect. Take small measurement in circular, keep the pointer on C. Keep the pointer on C, make one arc. Okay. Same pointer keep on B with the same measurement. Okay. These two arc we got from the point B and these two arc we got from the point C. Now increase the measurement in the circular. Now keep on the 2 point we got from the C. Keep on 1 point. Make one arc. Keep on the other point, cut that arc. Okay, we got the intersection over here. We'll draw the ray with the help of this new point and C. Okay, now same way we'll draw from the point B. cut the arc. Here also we got new point over here. Join the point B and the new point. Okay. Here we got the intersection of two angle bisector. Give the name I. Okay. Now children, from I to the segment BC, we have to make perpendicular bisector. You can make perpendicular bisector with the help of circular also and with the help of set square. So here I am going to use set square. Now children, the point I we got, with the help of circular, we'll keep this scale on the BC and this scale on point I. So this is straight to the BC and touch to the point I. So here we got perpendicular, give the name M. IM is perpendicular to the segment BC. So with the help of measurement I and M, take the measurement of distance between the I and M, draw the circle. Okay. So here we got in circle over here. We have drawn a triangle ABC. We have bisected the two angle B and angle C. Intersection of the bisector, we got the point I. We made perpendicular IM on segment BC. And we have taken a distance between the I and M. We have drawn the in circle. I hope you have understood this one construction. Now question number 2. It is given, see in your textbook, construct triangle PQR such that angle P is 70 degree, angle R is 50 degree and segment QR is given 7.3 centimeter and construct its circumcircle. Circumcircle, to construct a circumcircle, we have to make perpendicular bisector of any two sides of a triangle. So children, I have taken the triangle, rough figure I have drawn over here, triangle PQR. Angle P is given 70 degree, angle R is given 50 degree and segment QR is given 7.3 centimeter. We will make two perpendicular bisector, we get the intersection of this bisector, we will give the name C. Now student, we have only two measurement of angle P and R. Here below one measurement is not given, angle Q is not given. To find the measure of angle Q, we'll use the property of triangle. Sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. With the help of this property, we will find the measure of angle Q. In triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree. ASP means angle sum property of a triangle. Substitute the value of P is 70, angle R is 50, 180 degree. 70 and 80 will, 50 will go right side, become minus. 70 plus 50 is 120 degree. So bigger number is 70 is minus 120 degree. We will get the value of angle Q is 60 degree. So now we can draw a triangle with the given measurement. So the segment is given QR is how much student? 7.3. centimeter QR. Now we got the value of angle Q is how much student? 60 degree. We'll take the 60 degree. 60 degree is an acute angle. We will put over here. We'll make an acute angle 60 degree. An angle R is given. How much? 50 degree. Okay. We'll draw angle. Okay. The intersection of these two angles we got P. This is a 7, automatically becomes 70 degree. This is 50 degree. To construct a circumcircle, we have to make perpendicular bisector of any two sides of a triangle. So we'll take QR one side, take more than half, one arc up, one arc down. Same way, keep the pointer on Q, cut the arc. So intersection of this point we got. So we'll draw one line. Okay, perpendicular means we have to put 90 degree over here. Now other side we will take PR. Take more than half of this side, cut half over here, half over here. Other side P, we will cut this arc and cut this arc. Now we got the again 2 point, this point and this point. Join this point. Now intersection of these two perpendicular we got here, give the name point C. With the help of point C, we will draw a circumcircle. Keep the pointer on C and the pencil on any vertex of a triangle. So I am keeping the on vertex P. See, all the vertex are joining. Now we'll draw a circumcircle. Okay. So here I have joined the point. I have taken the measurement between the point C and P and I have drawn the circle. So when all the three vertices are joining and we made the circle outside of a triangle, it's called circumcircle. I hope you have understood. And question number 3, 4, 5, you do yourself. It is a homework for you. Do in your maths, geometry book. Thank you.